Okay, so we cannot pass this up. It's a signature wraps, double meat, chef-inspired, savory rotisserie-style chicken Caesar, turkey bacon, and guacamole, or Chipotle Southwest steak and cheese. And I can get it for $6.99 at Subway. So, with my coupons in hand, I am on my way to try one of these. Not quite sure which one I'm gonna pick out today, but every single one of them looks delicious. So let's head on down to Subway, guys.
I'll take the ranch.
So we're going to add a few chips on here. There we go. Yummy. I love those potato chips. Lay's, just regular old-fashioned Lay's. Okay, so here's a good shot of the 3 different ones with the chips. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's try the steak. I have peppers in here, spinach, black olives, cucumbers, lettuce. Look at that. Let's. Oh, the peppers really bring a nice kick to it. The meat is very tender. And I got the Chipotle sauce in here. Very good, guys. It's a very nice sandwich. And I like the idea of it being in a wrap. And this sandwich was $6.99. Each one was $6.99. And each one of them came with extra meat or double meat. It's very good. Guys, the steak sandwich is very good. I would definitely buy that again. Yummy. Okay, so let me try one of these other ones before I get too full. This one is the turkey wrap. And this is the one where I told you it was falling out when she was wrapping it. Oh boy. But I have a lot of goodies in there. I have cucumbers and peppers and black olives, and I have the ranch sauce on this one. They are very refreshing sandwiches. Always very good. Just about anything in a wrap tastes good. Mm. I showed you before, Grandpa Karma got a beautiful, beautiful present in the mail. I tell you, my Karma babies, you guys are amazing. Amazing. Someone sent him a beautiful, beautiful cross. I'm going to make sure and show that to you.
You got your cross? Oh, how nice is that? I love it.
Mm. Oh, look at that one. That's the rotisserie chicken. Oh, I have guacamole on everything too. Guacamole. I got the works. Mm. Oh. The chicken has a smoky kind of a taste to it. Mm. And the turkey, I believe, was their regular, you know, turkey slices. So how have your day been? I don't know which one I want to eat. I think I want another bite of the chicken. I like the taste. Mm. I can recommend I would recommend all three of them. They're very nice. They're going to be awesome for the summer. Mm. Mm. Yum, yum. Can't go wrong with this for quick lunch, dinner. guys, it's a beautiful day here today. No sun right now. Oh, this water is hitting the spot. No sun right now, but I think I'm partial to the chicken because it has a smoky sort of taste to it. Ah, yummy. It does look like rain, guys. It does look like rain. As you guys know, I love the sound of rain. Oops. Very good. So good. I was hungry, right? I was hungry. Yep. Mm. So these are the new signature wraps. And you get full off of it. Really do. They put extra meat in there. I think it even says, yeah, look, see it says right on here, double meat. Oh, man. So I am full. Excuse me. Very nice sandwich. Mm. Mm. Guys, thanks for stopping and having a sandwich with me. Mm. Mm. Yummy. Mm. All three of these signature sandwiches were really good. The steak is very, very tender. The turkey is the regular turkey that they put on their sandwiches, but they just, you know, put it in a wrap. The chicken was very good. They give you double meat on all the portions for $6.99. And they also have a special going right now where if you buy any 6-inch sub, you can get a drink of your choice for free. But you have to have the coupon with you. And I didn't think about it until after I had paid for it. So after I paid for it, then she goes, oh no, you have to let us know before you pay for it. So I was like, that's okay. I was just going to get some sweet tea. That's okay. This is better for me anyway. Yummy. Mm. You don't have to have the coupon for the sandwich. That's the price of it, $6.99. Okay, guys. Remember, how others treat you is their karma. How you respond is your karma. Until the next video, my babies, I love you very much. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Have a great day.